Don't go. Edward, he didn't wake up. I'm sorry. Thank you. Really? Sometimes. Yes, thank you. We're not sheep, myself.
That's right, just your own sweet self.
Play scissors what?
Beautiful tiger. I want all.
Glands? What is it? Lemonade. Kim! I'm sorry. She had some ideas?
Uh-huh.
Bye-bye. No, the friends I've made. I'd like to meet him. Yes, I know. Peg could sell cosmetics.
Yeah, sure.
Yes. I like that one. Mrs. Monroe showed me where the salon's going to be. You could have a cosmetics counter. And then she showed me the back room where she took all of her clothes off. The bank? This person stole from you? Tell his parents and they'll make him give it back.
No.
Nothing.
He doesn't want to talk right now.
You have to say something.
No,
What?
he...
I knew it was Jim's house. Yes. You're welcome. Because you asked me to. Give it to my loved ones. Again? Kevin, you want to play scissors, paper, stone?
No.
Why? Please. Are you okay? Where is everybody? I can't. Kevin.
Are you okay?
Oh, it's okay.
Ow.
They're coming. Did I hurt Kevin?